Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Essa and I am so glad to have you guys here. So like I said last time, I will be doing this series, so welcome to episode 2 of Tech Talk Tuesday. So like I said, I was going to be doing some reviews on phones, and today with me I have the Infinix Zero 8. How cool does that phone look? So this is the Infinix Zero 8 that I will be doing a short review today. I've only had it for a couple of hours, and to be honest, I really like this phone and I feel like it has very many cool features. So stick to the end to find out what my best feature is. While you're at it, please make sure to subscribe and press on the notifications bell. So to start with, there is nothing at the top of the phone. Then on the side we have the SIM tray slot. At the bottom we have the 3.5mm jack, the speaker, the microphone, and the Type-C charging port. On the side we have the thumbprint / lock button and the volume key. On the back we have the cameras, the flash, and the casing, which you can see is a changing color, but for the most part looks black. And at the front we have the dual camera and the screen. So the phone has a 1080x2460 resolution, meaning that at 6.6 inches you will be able to enjoy full HD streaming really well. It also supports dark mode, which is personally my favorite. So the phone has a 90Hz screen refresh rate, meaning that it is able to scroll well without lagging, but you can also toggle with the 60. But for my preference, I stick to the auto switch so that it could also save on battery, and so that the phone can be able to detect when I need the fast refresh rate and calm down when I don't need it. So for size, I just want to show you the difference. With the Nokia 7 Plus, you can see that the Infinix is much longer and slimmer. So that's just comparison of if you want to know the kind of size it has. For the camera, you can see that at the front it has the dual camera, which is the 48MP main selfie camera and the 8MP ultra wide camera. At the back we have the main 64MP, the 8MP ultra wide, the 2MP low light, and the 2MP depth sensor. So as you can see, with the front facing camera, the phone supports AI cam, which is the main. It supports video, short video, slow motion, and slow motion for the front camera goes up to 240 frames per second. It also supports beauty, portrait, super night, and wide selfie. For the back camera, it supports the AI cam, the video, short video, slow motion, and for the slow motion it goes up to 960 frames per second. It also supports beauty mode, bokeh, super night, profession, super macro, panorama, and documents. So for the gamers out there, it runs on the Hello G90T, which has been compared to the Snapdragon 730. Some could even say it is much better, but basically what that means is that your games could run much better and faster without lagging, and giving you an overall better gaming experience. The phone runs on 8GB RAM and has 128GB storage, and on top of that you can also add a memory card to the phone, so you could have even more storage. The phone has 4500 milliampere on the battery, and that means that it can still charge for quite some time. And that, paired with the fact that it comes with a 33 watts fast charging charger, means that you can charge your phone for a very short period. It goes from 0 to about 80% from 0 to about 60% in 30 minutes, and the rest in a shorter time. So you, in about 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes, you're able to charge your phone fully, which for me is a plus, because that means you're able to basically charge your phone to full percentage when you're getting ready in the morning. And it's not the type of phone that you will need to leave it on the charger the whole night. And please don't do that. Don't leave your phones on the charger the whole night. Another cool feature that is worth mentioning is the phone has a power boost feature, which if you have, let's say, a power of about 1 hour remaining, like at the moment I have 4.4 hours, the phone is able to activate power boost, and you will be able to be prolonged your battery charge by an extra 4 hours. So last but not least, my favorite thing about this phone definitely has to go to the social turbo, which is solely dedicated to WhatsApp, and most of us use WhatsApp every day, all day. So for this, you are able to have a voice recorder where you can record your WhatsApp calls. You can have video mode for your video calls on WhatsApp. You can create stickers for your WhatsApp. You also have the pic mode, which is save messages that you've missed. Then you have flashlight notification, which is the flash will alert you when you receive a WhatsApp. You are also able to save WhatsApp statuses, which for most of us that is very important. No more send me that status. You are also able to clean bogus WhatsApp files. And last of all, for those who conserve their data, you are able to switch this on so that your data is dedicated to WhatsApp only. WhatsApp will be the only app using your data, and we all know that WhatsApp uses very little data. So finally, I know you all want to know the price of the phone, and like I said, it was released about 2 weeks ago in Kenya. So at the moment, as of the Infinix Instagram page, I saw that it was 28,999. And for everything that is on this phone and how much packed it is and all the cool features that it has, I would definitely say that the phone is pretty much really worth it, because it feels like a really high-end phone and has so many cool features, especially what I told you about the social turbo, which I feel that I would want for other phones to incorporate that. But yeah, that's it for this phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come back for more reviews. I will be doing more reviews like this. Thank you to Infinix for the phone that they gave me so that I could do the review. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye.